Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I lay my edges. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to use a growth oil. I'm also going to use a soft gel, a hard gel, an eyebrow spoolie, and a tail comb, and lastly my bandana scarf. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my hand to push out my baby hairs so I know the part I'm going to be laying down. Then I'm going to apply my growth oil just to strengthen my edges. Just massaging it into my edges. I'm not making it too greasy. Then next I'm going to apply my gel. Just applying it and pushing my hair forward. And now I'm going to be using the eyebrow spoolie to brush it out. And then I press it down and flick it. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you can see in the illustration. I'll show you again. I'm just flicking it. I'm applying my gel in a forward motion. And I'm just brushing it with the spoolie, and then I'm pressing it down. Brush and press. So that's the first layer of gel, and now I'm going to apply the second layer of the hard gel. I'm just going to take a little bit and then apply it. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm brushing it, and I'm just flicking it. I'm using my thumb as well. Not my thumb, my fingers to get. I'm doing it to the other side, applying the gel. This gel has such a strong hold. When I do this combination, my edges are laid for almost the whole day. They stay compared to just using the Jackie's gel by itself. So that's what it's looking like. I don't have that much baby hair out, so I'm just working with what I got. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm cleaning off the excess gel so it doesn't dry on my hair, and I'm just gonna secure it down with my bandana. So I've let that set, and I'm taking it off, and these are my edges. This is how I lay my edges, guys. If you want the long hold, you should use a hard gel. That's it, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Bye.